Welcome and very warm and pleasant good afternoon to everybody. Myself Arushi Kumari, PBS second semester student from Indian Institute of Business Management, Patna. Today I am going to talk on a topic which is very important and plays a major role in the organization. That is HRM and the terminology to staying current. The first question arises in our mind is what does HRM means? Human resource management, it is a process of hiring, managing and taking proper care of employees who are working in the organization. And what are the terminology refers to? It is a word, term, phrases which are used by HR in a daily basis. So let's dive into the topic. My first slide conduct the introduction part. What does it mean? Before few minutes only I had said what does HRM means and the terminology. But in this it is written HR is the departmental that manages employees in the organization, and the terminology are the phrases, words. We call this HR terminology. Learning this language helps HR professionals to communicate in a better way. Why HR terminology is changing? It's obvious it will change because we are living in a dynamic world, and it's keep on changing because the workplace environments changes every day. We will talk about popular HR terms, their meaning. Here are some popular terms. This slide contains the A, B, C, D, E areas. The A word, appraisal. What does it mean? Appraisal means checking employees' performance. B, benefits. Extra things given with salary. C, compensation, salaries and allowance. D, diversity. Different type of peoples come to an organization to work together. E, engagement. It signifies involvement. F, feedback. It is someone's opinion about someone's work. G, grievance. It is like problem, issues or complaint of an employee. H, hiring. Giving job to a new employees. I, introduction. We introduce new employees to our organization. J, job description. Details of what the job needs. CRA, key result area. Main goal of an employees. Layoff. Employers stop giving job to their employees. Motivation, encouragement given by an HR so that employees should work in a proper manner. And notice period. We have to give a leave before leaving the job. O, onboarding, process of getting the job. Payroll, system of paying the salaries. Q, qualification, education or skills that required for the job. R, recruitment, finding and selecting the best employees. S, succession planning, preparing future leaders. Training, enhancing the present skills. Upskilling, improving your current skills. V, vacation leave. We have to apply a leave before having the vacation. W, work-life balance, maintaining the personal and professional life together. Exit interview, discussion when the employee is leaving the organization. Y, yearly review. Once in a year we take the review. Zero tolerance, no acceptables of bad behavior will be accepted in the organization. Benefits of staying current. It's obvious if we will stay current in our daily scenario, it will give benefits to ourselves. We can work in a daily basis, we can communicate in a better way, we can build a positive and healthy working environment. Real world use of HR terms. These HR terms are used by managers by hiring, performance reviews and teams meeting. They help in fair, inclusive and perform workplace. And we are coming to an end. It's a conclusion part. HR terms keep on changing because to be a good HR professional, we should learn about latest terminology, and it will be beneficial for the HR to get the knowledge of the latest terms, phrases, words which are happening in the organization and adjust better in a modern workplace. And lastly, I would like to thank to my college, IIBM, and respected mentor, Professor Ritika Singh, who have guided me throughout the presentation. Thank you, ma'am, for choosing me and giving me the golden opportunity.